He's weighing it for all the things. It could be like that creepy statue. It's so
I know. I know. That's what I'm waiting for.
Did you film that statue?
No, I think Michelle did.
Yeah, hopefully it works.
You filmed it or you took a picture of it?
I tried to do both. It's just I have a hard time since my phone updated to get the settings wrong. At least the video is recording.
It's a roller coaster. Roller coaster. See, just hold on to the bar. We need a priest.
That's you. That's you.
It's another costume. You know, that is like
He sits there choking. That's Steve. That's Steve. Sorry.
You the head snap. Oh, really?
I did the terrible bombing.
So, you can never stop. It's like an animated
Steve will laugh at me.
Thank you. His commercial truck Zambian.
Oh.